What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another course video in the Ecom Lab. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what to do after the 5th day of your link to go strategy. If you don't know what the link to go strategy is, I talked a little bit more about it in my previous video, so you might want to check that video out in the link in the description. Also, if you want the exact link to go strategy step by step, I do have a PDF that you can download in the link in the description as well. Now jumping into my computer, guys, this is the link to go strategy. Basically, we are on the 5th day mark of our link to go strategy. Okay, and I'm going to be pulling up a Shopify store that I'm implementing this exact strategy on, and we are currently on the 5th day. Basically, we ran the link to go strategy starting on the 25th. We had our conversion ads launch after we did our link click ads, and we made $27 on the 2nd day. Then we made $174 on the 3rd day. It went down to one sale. You know, Facebook is going to fluctuate every single day, man, especially since you just launched your ads. And we had a big day, our best day yet, with $199. And currently today we have no sales, but since we have a smaller budget, it's going to take a little bit of time, and we'll probably see those sales come in at the end of the day. So after the 5th day of the link to go strategy, guys, we are still currently in the testing phase. So you do need to, kind of see, okay, am I going to keep going with this product, or am I going to throw away the product? Right now, the product is making us profits. It's showing us good signs that people are interested in it. So we're going to keep going. So that takes us to the 5 to 7 day mark, where it is time to scale, not necessarily scale to like hundreds and thousands of dollars. What I mean is putting more and increasing your budget. So Facebook, in reality, you need to have a higher budget to at least allow Facebook to get you more sales. If you spend $5 a day, Facebook isn't going to necessarily get you 100 sales. Okay, it's not realistic. So you have to increase that budget from $5, or if you start off from $10, you can go up to $20. Okay, so that is exactly what you need to be doing in your Facebook Ads Manager. And I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to do that. So basically, you go into your campaigns, you go into your ad sets, the one that's currently doing well for you in your link to go strategy, you want to duplicate it into a higher budget. Now, this strategy is called the horizontal scaling strategy. But if you want to do the other strategy, which is the vertical scaling strategy, you can increase your current budget by $20 instead of $10. So with this vertical scaling, it is a little bit more risky because you increase the risk of messing up your current ad sets that is working for you. And so what I personally recommend you guys doing is doing the horizontal scaling first. And if that doesn't work for you, you can increase your current budget at a higher budget. Okay, guys. So over here, you can see that I duplicated this from $10 to another ad set into $20. Now, as you can see, this ad has already launched. So right now it is currently in the learning phase, and you want to see that, you want to see this green circle here. If you see this little triangle here, that means that you're limited, and that's only because your budget is way too low. So Facebook, like I said, you gotta spend some money for them to go get the buyers. And this currently is in a 7-day window. So within the 7-day window, I need to get enough purchases so that Facebook can go find the right buyers and keep optimizing as days goes on. That is how you make money on Facebook. If you have an existing store that's already making money and you've been doing it organically and you jump into Facebook ads, you're obviously going to be successful because you already can get the purchases without Facebook, and Facebook is going to see, oh yeah, this store has a lot of purchases, so we're going to find similar people to those purchases. So I feel really confident that this product is going to do well. I mean, it's already getting 5 purchases. The ROAS is doing well already. And this is only at $10 per day. And our cost per purchase is $9.96. So I can really increase the budget and see how I can do. But like I said, if you want the safe method, you have to duplicate it at a higher budget. So the plan and the goal is to duplicate it and let this run, let it learn for a couple of days. If it doesn't do too well, then you want to increase your current ad and see how that does. Okay, that's all you need to know up to this point in this course, guys. So I need you guys to go out there and implement this specific link to go strategy immediately. Like I said, we've done close to $400 in sales, and we still haven't spent that much. We don't have a huge budget. Currently, we're only doing about $10 per day in total. Before it was $20 a day because this ad currently didn't do too well. So we had to turn it off because it spent the same amount of money, guys. Spent about $49. This one spent $49, but this one is performing way better. 5 sales. This one has 1 sale. So obviously you want to turn that off, right? So once you turn it off, you duplicate the one that's working for you, and then you increase it at a higher budget. That's it. So if you need a little bit more help with this link to go strategy, you guys can join the mastermind chat in the link in the description. It will be the first link in the link in the description. You guys can join so that I can help you guys one-on-one instantly within this chat. You know, we have some guys in here that's already put it in work. You know, these guys want to be successful within dropshipping in 2021. There's no better time to get into e-commerce than right now. So if you want to be a part of this journey, guys, in 2021, check the link in the description and join the mastermind chat and start working. So I don't want to take too much of your time, guys. All the helpful links are in the link in the description. If you did enjoy this video, you know, I dropped some major knowledge in this video that you're not going to find anywhere else, especially if you're going to pay thousands of dollars. This is absolutely free. So if you did enjoy this video, guys, make sure you like this video. I will be dropping another video tomorrow or the next day, depending on how these ads go, because I'm going based off these ads right now, especially in this course, because I want to kind of do it live, and it's going to be more, you know, it's going to have more value than just me teaching it. Okay, guys. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like it. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notified for the next video. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next course video.